Hey crew, welcome to week 210. This week I'm out in Palisade for a gravel bike race and I get to start installing drywall in the woodshop. Well guys, it finally happened. With week 210 comes the first freeze of the year, officially marking an end to the garden. On Friday, I'm off to Palisade, Colorado to bike the Rexy Queen of the Desert 100-mile gravel bike race. I've only biked on gravel once in my life, so this will be a real test of my adaptability. That being said, I'm excited to put the new Obed bike through its paces and to explore the scenery of the western slope of Colorado. As you can see, the rugged desert landscape is quite pretty this time of the year. On Saturday, our 100-mile race kicks off at 7 a.m. sharp, and immediately we're thrown into rugged desert hills, ruts, roads, and trails. I only filmed on the few segments that were smooth because, to be honest with you guys, I was pretty afraid of crashing for a good 90% of this race. Fortunately, we made it through and my buddy Ari took first place in our division and somehow I managed a third, which isn't bad for a first-time race. On Sunday, I pack up early and head back to Broomfield. When I get home, I take a minute to wash down the new bike as well as my car. In case I don't ride it again this season, it'll be nice and clean for storing in the basement. I round out the weekend by hanging some more drywall in the garage. Before I can cover the walls, I'll need to add insulation, but for now, this is a good place to end the week. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy renovating.